Da-hee is a South Korean model and actress. She was born on March 15, 1985 in Namsa-myeon, Yongin-si, South Korea. In 2021, she starred in L.U.C.A The Beginning. At the age of 17, Da-hee competed in the 2020 SBS Super Elite Model Contest, where she was a finalist. She began her acting career by playing supporting roles in television dramas including The Legend, Birdie Buddy, and Secret Love, and in films including Harmony. On March 11, 2020, she was announced as a host alongside Jang Sung-koo for the upcoming Ment Boy Group reality series Road to Kingdom, which is the sequel to Queendom. She is very determined to succeed in his career and has taken on lot of different roles which show how deserved she is an actress. In 2018, Lee starred in the hit romantic comedy series The Beauty Inside. The same year, she was also played Queen of Mystery too. She is the most talented, beautiful and charming star who is trying to get fame and name at national and international level. In 2019, Lee was cast as one of 3 female leads in the romance drama Search WWW. On July 3, she was announced as a host for the girl group reality series Queendom alongside Jang Sung-kyu and will premiere in the late August. Her cuteness and charming face attract her viewers, which is why she is becoming very famous. Lee's breakout year was 2013 when she appeared in the hit courtroom drama I Can Hear Your Voice. This was followed by her first leading role in the television drama, the 2014 revenge drama Big Man. Her popularity increased further when she appeared in the 2015 drama Mrs. Cop. In 2016, Lee signed with her talent agency Y Brothers. In 2013, she starred in I Hear Your Voice. Her acting skills are par excellence and definitely worth praising. In 2012, she starred in Welcome Rain to My Life.